Hi guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how we bought this property for under 20k. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it is possible, and we're going to walk you step by step how we did it so you know what to do. And stay until the end of the video because we're going to reveal how much we actually pay for this land. If you ever dreamed about owning a place in Europe, maybe going off the grid or just finding your own piece of paradise, this video might inspire some ideas. And please subscribe, like and comment. We'd love to hear from you. Portugal is such a beautiful country. It has amazing people and extraordinary food. Street markets everywhere and incredible history. We, like you, had a dream to buy a property in Europe. So we started to look online and found a website that looks authentic and local. We contacted the realtor, we packed, and went straight to Portugal. The land looked like something out of a fairy tale, but it took us almost 2 hours to find the little cabin. It had been abandoned for more than 20 years. One of the essential requirements was that it had water. Not just any water, but water you could actually drink. And to our surprise, it not only had drinkable water, it also had a river and several waterfalls. Next, we signed and closed the deal, and just like that, we were owners of a 10 acres land, a water fountain, 4 waterfalls, small river, and a charming little cabin with amazing views. We immediately started imagining how we wanted to design the cabin and all the necessary additions since it has no bathroom or kitchen. But we knew exactly what we wanted. We opened a path to the cabin. We managed to get water from the spring. We cleared up the land a bit and repaired the roof that was destroyed. And made a few fixes inside the cabin so we could move out of the tent we had slept in for 3 months and have a comfortable place to rest and sleep while continuing the renovations. We went back to Miami to work because life must go on. But we kept designing our project, eager to return and continue it. So here is exactly what we did step by step. We started looking online. We went on local Portuguese real estate websites, not the big international ones. We contacted the local realtor. We packed and flew to Portugal. We got a car, this is important. We arrived at the property and it was magical. Next step is the buying process. You need a realtor, a lawyer, a notary, and 2 witnesses. Always look for 3 things before falling in love with a property. Access, make sure there is a road, even a dirt one. Water, a spring, a well, a river, and orientation, sunlight and drainage. Orientation if you want to harvest solar power. Our farm is located in the Ceja do Azor. It has a beautiful nearby village with everything you need: restaurants, hospitals, markets, the charming traditional clotheslines, and stunning river beaches that are the pride of the locals. So guys, how much do we actually pay for that beautiful property? Well, we pay 15,000 euros. We still have to do a lot of renovation, invest more money, but it's incredible how cheap we got this property. What is also incredible is how many abandoned land are there in central Portugal, in central Europe in general. But if you want to get a property like the one we got, you can follow our steps, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna get there too. Okay guys, so we show you step by step how we got this property for under 20K. If this resonates with you, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, ask any question. Who knows, maybe you can be our next neighbor.